Too much history, have you make it so hard to live, yeah. What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Okay. Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a Hello Black Child, Local Black Child unboxing video. So I love Local Black Child. I've been following her since the beginning of her channel when she got famous from like her story times or whatever. So I've always supported her, and when she came out with a clothing line that was specifically for black people, I fell in love with her even more. And so I just really wanted her to show her my support, as I like to support any black owned business. It doesn't matter what it is. Okay, I'm one of those. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So excuse my little bang, I don't know what it's doing, but today we're going to be doing the unboxing of her recent summer release. This was my first time buying from her. I just couldn't pass up these for me, and I also decided that I wanted to do, I look real oily. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm still kind of oily, but I don't know why I'm shining like this, like whatever. But yeah guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of her new summer collection that just came out, and we will be doing an unboxing for the fall collection as well. So let's start off with the cute little outfit. So this is the packaging. Hold on, because I don't want y'all to see. This is the packaging, and she got her cute little sticker on there. Can y'all still see it? But yeah, this is the packaging. I kind of opened it. I just had to see it. You feel me? I had to see it. Okay, I didn't try it on. I didn't touch the material. I just had to take it out. So here we go. Taking it out. Ooh, listen, this is cute. Like, that's what you call packaging. Okay, that's what you call packaging. That's what you call high quality. All right, so this is what it looks like. It says Hello Black Child right there, and then it says it up there again. I got my thing in a size extra small because, you know, we kind of small on this side. So I got it in an extra small. So this is gonna be my first reaction to touching the material, stuff like that. So let's see what it's like. Ooh, that feels nice. It doesn't have a smell, What is this? Yo, this is so cute. Like, this is so cute. Okay, so here's the top. I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna try it on, and y'all gonna see it on me and everything. This is the top. It's a hoodie. It's a cropped hoodie, and it says Hello Black Child right there. Cause what am I? A black child. And then, ooh, this is my favorite part. The sleeve right here, bro. Details. Come on, focus. Focus. Over here. Right here. Bro, the details is the details for me. It's always the details for me, okay? That just shows she puts thought into it, okay? The material is really nice. This is like a really nice, this is like the perfect hoodie material. And I like that she don't got too much going on the inside. This is extra small, and it's just calm. The zipper, let's see what the zipper's like. All right, the zipper is giving expensive. It's giving high quality. It's giving thick. It's not one of them cheap, flimsy zippers. Feel me? All right, so now on to the bottoms. Ooh, I swear to God, this better fit tight. If this is not tight, I'm gonna be so mad. But here's the shorts. Ooh. Yo, and the color. Y'all need to follow me on Instagram for when I drop these pictures. So follow me on Instagram so you will see the pictures and the fit, the look that I put together with this whole thing, okay? Excuse the Cheez-Its in the back. Just ignore them. But yeah, these are the shorts, again with the detailing, like the embroidery. Listen, all right y'all, so, and it has like adjustable strings, so if you got a smaller waist, you will still be snatched. So it's really, really cute. I love the material. It doesn't feel like it's gonna feel any type of way on my skin. So I'm about to go try it on. When I actually do wear this outfit, I'm not gonna have a shirt under it. I think I might take my top off, to be honest. But I'm about to go try it on and come back and give y'all a better look at it when I have it on. So yeah. All right guys, so just get ready, because the way it's giving what it's supposed to give is crazy. Okay, I know you see these. Like, I know you see this. Hold on, let me pose in it so I get some snapshots for my thumbnail. Cause like, guys, because hold on, because this is so cute. Like, even with this hairstyle, like, I wanted to do it with a purple, I was gonna do a purple frontal with it, but even this hair like goes with it, so I think I might wear it sooner than later. I don't know, but this is so cute. Like, look. All right, so with that, I also got some rings from her. Also, peep the edges, like, anyways. So yeah, I also got some rings from her. This is the packaging. So you get a cute little card. I believe you get this with the sweater as well, but I didn't take it out of the bag. So it's like a cute little card. It's so cute. Like, I just love how much thought she puts into it. And she said, ooh, I have a code. I didn't even see that. Oh my god, I hope it's not too late, but I get 10% off. So next time, definitely. So this is a little box, and it's so cute, and the stickers on there as well. I love how everything is pink. I don't know if y'all know this, but I love pink. It's not my favorite color, but I do love pink. I like girly colors. I don't know, I'm pretty girly. So here are the rings. Oh, they come like this. This is what they come like. And then let me see. Okay, looking at them, they look kind of big for my fingers, but that's besides the point. So here is the one that says child, and then here is the one that says black. So let me put them on. Hold on. Black child. They're definitely too big for my fingers because I'm really skinny, but you get the point. Like, I already said I was probably gonna wear them on my thumbs like this. Oh no, I did it wrong. And then child, like it, because I'm so sad they don't fit my fingers. Like, I already said I was gonna wear them on my thumbs if they came and it didn't fit me. But I looked at her, I'm like, okay, her fingers are pretty skinny and they fit her, so they might fit me. But no, they don't. But anyways, guys, that was the thing. This is so cute. Like, I'm really in love with this little set, like this little top, these little shorts, like this little thing that's going on. I'm in love with it. Local black child, you keep doing your things. So excuse the mess in the back, okay? But listen, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go support local black child, okay? You can still buy her stuff if you're not black, by the way. She makes that very clear on her thing, but I think it still might be kind of weird if you're not black and you're. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, look out for more videos. I have more videos coming for y'all every week. Okay, we're gonna try to do that. Okay, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.